Hello everyone, it is Mystery Mani time, so let's pick some polishes. I'll push those back in there. Okay, so the first polish is right here, and this is, this is Quixotic Drops of Dusk. Look at that. Ooh. Look at that shift in there. So pretty. Okay, let's see what we're going to pair with that. Ooh, almost dropped it. Okay, to pair with that, we got, how about right here? Ooh, okay. Okay. And this is Avon's Rain Washed. So Avon's Rain Washed, which is a very light blue. And then we have that Quixotic-Drops of Dusk. Oh, okay. Those are kind of neat. Huh. Okay. All right. So those are the two polishes I picked. I'll meet you back here with the completed mani. We'll see what I can come up with. Here we are with a closer look at these polishes, and first up we have Quixotic-Drops of Dusk. This is a mauve multichrome shimmery polish that shifts between orange, red, gold, and green with a bit of holographic flakies. And also we have Avon's gel finish, and this is in the shade Rain Wash. This is a really pretty light blue cream. I'll be starting this mani off by painting all of my nails with Avon's Rain Wash. This is such a light blue polish that it applies very streaky, very patchy. Not the best in the application in the first coat, so it will need to be built up. And now going in for the second coat of Avon's Rain Wash. This polish is completely opaque for me. This builds up very nicely on this second coat. Now going in with a coat of Sally Hansen Inta-Dri top coat. This is for when I do some sponging. The sponge is not going to pick up that first two coats of rain wash that I already laid down. Applying Queen's latex tape around all of my nails is going to protect that skin and help with cleanup. Now using a clean makeup sponge, I'm going to apply a strip of each color. Then using back and forth rocking motions and a little bit up and down, I'm going to blend these colors together, making sure that it is a nice seamless blend. Then I'm going to go ahead and remove that latex tape. I'll be repeating this process for the rest of my nails. Using Queen stamping polish in pure white number 806 and stamping plate MR01, I'm going to use this snowflake design. And then with a coat of Sally Hansen Inta-Dri, I'm going to seal this design in. And here is my final design. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I think this turned out really neat. I love the gradient that these two polishes together created. Very pretty. And then with the snowflake stamping, absolutely gorgeous. I thought this was beautiful and perfect for this time of year. Please leave any comments or suggestions below, and I will see you in the next one.